globally recognized government medical university. What if I told you there's a way better option? सबसे अच्छी चीज अफोर्डेबल है. It's been around since 1918. तो experience और reputation पे तो आप शक कर ही नहीं सकते. I guess you're also tired of this crazy competition for MBBS, even ranked 6th, जहाँ पे thousands of Indian students are living their dream life. So in this video, I'll address some of the most frequently asked questions about this university.
Hi everyone, my name is Ipshita and I'm a final year MBBS student.
आज की वीडियो थोड़ी सी अलग है. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं नीट का एग्जाम और इतनी ज्यादा टेंशन के बारे में. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस होंगे तुम्हारे दिमाग में और सबसे पहला ये कि मैं डॉक्टर बनूंगा या नहीं. वेल, वो सिर्फ तुम्हारे हाथ में है. नीट का रिजल्ट या उसके मार्क्स बिल्कुल डिसाइड नहीं करने वाले कि तुम डॉक्टर बन रहे हो या नहीं. I guess you're also tired of this crazy competition for MBBS, and let's not talk about the sky-high fee structure in India. But what if I told you there's a way better option? An affordable, top-ranked university in Russia. And yeah, watch till the end because I have a very big surprise for you guys. By the way, रशिया के बारे में तो तुम लोग जानते ही हो. मैं क्या ही उसके बारे में एक्स्ट्रा एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगी तुम्हें. And Moscow, the capital city of Russia, is a home to some of the most prestigious universities. Today we'll talk about one of the top-ranked university, that is Voronezh State Medical University, which is even ranked 6th in the Healthcare Federation of Russia, जहाँ पे thousands of Indian students are living their dream life. So in this video, I'll address some of the most frequently asked questions about this university. So the first question, where exactly is Voronezh State Medical University situated? It is the most interesting question because ये यूनिवर्सिटी मॉस्को से कुछ ही घंटे की दूरी पर है. It's been around since 1918. तो एक्सपीरियंस और रेपुटेशन पे तो आप शक कर ही नहीं सकते. So coming to the next question, is VSMU a government or private university? Well, to your surprise, it is a government university, which means high quality education, amazing facilities, and top tier experience. The best part, it is super affordable. So the third question, is it NMC or WHO approved, and what's the medium of teaching? Absolutely. NMC and WHO both recognizes the MBBS degree from VSMU. Also, the medium of teaching is English, obviously. तुम्हें तभी समझ में आएगा और तुम्हें सिखा भी देंगे उनकी language, by the way. The next question, will I get a hands-on experience? Obviously, it is a government university. In fact, from second year, you will get hands-on experience in 17 plus hospitals. The next question, okay, the very serious, is Voronezh safe for Indian students and girls? Yes, it's super safe. Voronezh is known for being student-friendly for years. Hostels are separate for girls with 24/7 security. But yeah, a big sister tip, like anywhere in the world, be smart and safe. The sixth question, what's the food situation and do they have Indian food? Obviously, Indian food is available in their mess. You will get veg and even non-veg options. So no more missing ghar ka dal chawal. So next question. Okay, the very most important one. Okay, listen to this. 2 lakh per semester. That means the total cost of 6 years is just rupees 25 to 30 lakhs. Just compare that to more than 1 crore rupees in Indian private colleges. Okay, so moving on to question number 8. Does it follow NMC guideline? Yes. VSMU follows each and every NMC guideline. That's why so many students pass FMGE or NEXT and start practicing in it. What's the FMGE passing rate? It's a solid 40%. In fact, many VSMU grads clear their FMGE in first attempt and are now successful doctors. Wanna be one of them? Okay, let's move on to another question. Do they offer internships? Of course they do. The university provides a 12 months internship where you will be handling the patients and learning from expert doctors. Question number 11. How many Indian students have graduated from VSMU? Well, more than 2,000 students have already completed their MBBS from VSMU and hundreds more join every year. Question number 12. Is the MBBS degree valid worldwide? Yes, your MBBS degree is accepted in India, UK, USA, anywhere. So whether you want to come to home or settle abroad, you're good to go. Question number 13. What is the eligibility criteria? India से बहुत अच्छा. Eligibility की बात करें तो बस तुम्हारा NEET qualify होना चाहिए and minimum 50% marks in PCB and overall in 12th. Also, university takes its own exam online. Now, why you should choose the Voronezh State Medical University? So firstly, it is ranked 6th in the Ministry of Healthcare of Russia. Full 6 years of teaching in English medium. It is a globally recognized government medical university. उसके बाद सबसे अच्छी चीज, affordable है. Only 25 to 30 lakhs for whole of the 6 years. हमारा खाना भी available है. Indian food is available in the hostels. It is a high quality education with 1000 plus expert faculty. एक और बहुत अच्छी बात, there is a hands-on experience starting from the second year itself. इसके बाद it is NNC and WHO approved also, and the degree is valid in India, UK, USA, wherever you want to go. And now comes the best part, जिसके लिए मैंने तुम्हें लास्ट तक रोका था. If you register through the link in the description, first 20 students will get an instant discount on their flight tickets. So go and collect your coupon now with Select University, a very trusted agency. तुम सिक्योर करने वाले हो रशिया के 6th रैंक यूनिवर्सिटी में एक बहुत ही अच्छी सीट. And lastly, मैं बस इतना कहना चाहूंगी कि just don't wait, because opportunities like these don't last forever. Let's make that dream of becoming a doctor come true. And yeah, for information on more universities, you can subscribe to my channel and select your university's channel for upcoming videos. Bye bye.